The Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i packs an unparalleled display into a laptop that's anything but portable. Imagine having a 3.2K OLED screen in a device that fits neatly in your bag, but still boasts a refresh rate of 120Hz and HDR 1000 True Black for a cinematic experience like no other. This is the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i we're talking about. For those who thought high-end laptops had to break the bank, think again. With its Intel Ultra 9 285H processor, you get an 8th gen CPU with up to 5.40 GHz P-cores and 4.50 GHz E-cores, perfect for multitasking and heavy tasks without the hefty price tag. What's often overlooked is how this level of performance translates into real-world benefits. Faster app launching, smoother video playback, and more efficient productivity. This laptop is built for those who want it all: flexibility, power, and a user-friendly interface that lets you get to work quickly. But what really sets the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i apart is its graphics capabilities. With NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU, this device can handle even the most demanding games and creative projects with ease, making it a dream come true for gamers and content creators alike. In terms of memory and storage, you get 32GB LPDDR5X, 8400MT/S RAM, and a 1TB SSD M.2 PCIe Gen 4 drive that's soldered, meaning no upgrades needed to ensure lightning-fast performance. This is the perfect setup for those who need a reliable laptop for work or play. Another feature worth mentioning is the camera, which boasts a 5MP RGB plus IR sensor with dual array microphones and an e-shutter for seamless video recording. With this level of quality, you'll be able to capture life's special moments like never before. Now, about the keyboard. It's backlit in Luna Gray, English, US, making it perfect for late-night work sessions or gaming marathons. The keys are also precision-engineered for a responsive typing experience that will keep up with your every keystroke. If you're looking for wireless connectivity, the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i has got you covered. With Wi-Fi 7.2x2b 320MHz and Bluetooth 5.4, you'll be connected to the world in time. And let's not forget about battery life. A full day of work or play on a single charge is entirely possible with this device. But what really puts the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i over the top is its warranty. 1 year of coverages that includes courier or carry-in service. That means you can worry less about technical issues and more about getting back to your busy life. If you're ready to upgrade your laptop experience without breaking the bank, this is it. A premium device that won't break the bank. For those who want to experience it all for themselves, click the link below to get your hands on the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i today.